Hola amigas, welcome back to another one of my videos. For those that don't know me, my name is Beverly, and for those that are returning, thank you guys again for coming back and joining me today. Now, if you guys already saw the video title down below, you guys know that Haolic sent me the D8 DTF printer, and you're probably wondering, another pink DTF printer? Yes, another one. Now, what's the difference between this one? We're going to get into it in the video. We're going to talk a little bit about the differences between the old model and this new model. And this one is really considered their D8 model mini, which is more compact and it's supposed to be a lot faster. But we're going to be putting that up to the test today, and we're going to be timing it to see if it really is, and really what's the whole inside scoop on this printer that you guys, spoiler alert, I'm liking. So make sure you guys watch the whole unboxing video and my final thoughts at the end to see a little bit more about this printer. I'm very excited to be talking to you guys about everything I received from Haolic, which is our DTF powder. We got their inks, which comes in the 4 colors and 2 sets of white. We're going to go ahead and open it now. It comes with all these nice accessories, including the paper trimmer and the roll of DTF film and all. You guys will see it all here as I am unboxing it, and it also comes with some syringes, some extra items and everything. So I'm just making sure everything is out before I put it out on the little table. I'm very excited because whenever I got my first DTF printer, I was completely clueless on how to use this, but I'm very excited now that I know how to use a DTF printer, and the setup process on this was just so much easier. So you can see I installed the paper trimmer. We are applying the back roll and just kind of putting everything together. The cool thing about this as well is that it comes with a manual as before with the other printers. Mine did not come with it, and it tells you a supplies list and step by step literally on how to put it together, download the software and all. So I think that was super helpful. It comes with this tool as well, and that's really all you need to put everything together. And once you are done installing the roll holder in the back, you want to install the holder for the waste ink container in the back. And you want to make sure you're putting everything right where it needs to be. That little tube needs to go in between the hole and needs to be all secure. Because what happens is when you do your cleanings, if that little hose goes somewhere else, you're going to have a complete mess and it's not going to be fun. It's happened to me once, and I'm just kind of warning you. Now you will go ahead and install your film. Make sure everything is in place. Everything needs to be secure and tight. You guys can pause the video if you guys need to see how I'm putting it in. I don't go much into detail, but you guys can pretty much see how everything needs to show. And the roll of film that they send you doesn't have a whole bunch of feet on it, or like a lot of film I should say, just because it is what they send out. Here I am removing the screws on the print head, that way it can move freely whenever we're going to be printing. Open up those rollers, that way your film could go and feed through. And now we are ready to put our ink into our containers in the back. The cool thing about this DTF printer is that the ink is out of the way. It's not visible. It's in the back. There's no more spillage. It's not an eyesore where it's out there. And I'm just filling everything up with 1 bottle each. It can possibly take more, but we are just going to do this just to begin. This is where the little plug goes in. That is the on and off button. The top is emergency, off and on. And here is the RIP software and those hard drives that you guys get. Now it's super easy. Everything's in the instruction manual. Just like I mentioned, follow the steps, step by step. You download it. You retry if it says connection error or whatnot. It's super simple. It's so easy. I honestly did not need the technicians until later because I messed up on a step. But how cool is this? Haolic has their own RIP software now. It's all in one. You don't need a cleaning software. You don't need the printing software. You just need this one. Now the cleaning software is actually through the computer when you download the driver for the printer, which is all also in the steps, and everything is super easy. You want to set your L8 something printer, I think it should say it there, as a default printer, which is this one. Now here, this little button on the side is a circulation button, which will circulate your white ink. You want to turn it on every single day. Turn it on for 2 minutes. Shake up your inks. Make sure everything's good to go before you start printing on the day-to-day basis. Of course, you don't have to do cleanings if you're white and everything is perfect. And here we are doing a test print. You guys will see in real time while I sped it up, but you guys will see how fast this printer is. Okay, Compared to my old Haolic printer, which is still amazing, it took me about 5 minutes to get about a 10 or 11 inch transfer. This one did half that. It was like 2 minutes and 28 seconds or something, like you guys saw. Look at how bright that white is. So amazing. You guys, oh my gosh, when I tell you that this printer is a game changer, it's lightweight, it's compact, it fits in small spaces, it's amazing. Now, this is part of your everyday maintenance. You want to use your little stir, which you never got before, for your white to make sure you stir it up. And it's just like a little whisk. It's so cool. And it will stir up that white ink. And as soon as you turn on that, you can turn on your little circulation button for 2 minutes. And that's literally your day-to-day maintenance, okay, for the printer. That easy. That easy. And then you can do a nozzle check if you feel like you want to do that. Now, this is the color strip that I'm printing, just so I can see that my colors are coming out great. But you don't even have to do this. If everything is turning out good and printing fine, then you are good to go. You can simply just do that itself and you are done. Okay, amigas, so what do you guys think about this new D8 model printer from Haolic? You guys saw the full unboxing. I talked a little bit more about the printer in depth, but what did you guys really think? Now, before I go ahead and go into detail and give you guys my thoughts, make sure you guys take a moment and pause this video, comment down below some things that you really did like about this printer, and if you are really considering getting it next. Now, with this printer, I can say one thing that I can appreciate definitely is that this printer doesn't only just come in pink, it also comes in white. Aren't you tired of printers always being black, gray, white, or silver? Like, come on, we need some new colors. If you guys can't tell, I'm definitely a pink girly, so I really appreciate the pink printers. And they have literally been such a blessing in my business and my life because I've gotten to know them a lot more. I've gotten my hands into other things like UV printing, as you guys saw before in my previous videos, and DTF, which I've been doing for a while now. And I I'm really starting to love this printer just as well, and I'm happy I'm able to add it to my collection. Now let's go ahead and just talk a little bit more about the reality of having a DTF printer. Now, if you guys are planning to get your hands on this DTF printer, or really any printer, I really want to have you guys take a moment and really think, is this something I'm going to be using on the daily? Do I have time for it? You might have the money for it, yes, but you really want to ask yourself all these questions, because if not, you're just going to be throwing away money, and you want to really make sure you're going to be able to pay attention and take care of it. It's just a baby, okay? So you will have to do daily maintenance. You might not have time for that all the time, but that's something that with my business, I'm constantly in my craft room, so I'm always working on my printers, doing my maintenance, always taking care of them. So if you do have time for it, I definitely would consider this a win for you. And also, if it can keep up with the amount of orders that you're doing as well, it would be worth it. Now, if you're just a hobbyist and you're doing it on the side, then maybe it's best to buy prints from someone. But I'm just being truthful and honest that this printer is a game changer, and not only can you make t-shirts with this, but you can also use it and make your money back by selling DTF transfers, which has been amazing for my business. So other than just being small and compact compared to the old version, it's also a lot faster. Have you ever heard of something like when things are smaller, they're sometimes faster? Well, this is definitely it. I love how fast it is. You guys saw the speed test I did. Now with my old DTF printer, some prints would take up to 5 minutes to print, and the same size image will take half of that on this new DTF printer. Another thing that I really do appreciate about their new DTF printer, and this could just be overall, but when they first started, they weren't the greatest at giving out instructions. But let me tell you, there's a step-by-step manual on this, and you guys can set up the printer all by yourself with the software by using your little dongle USB drive. It's just so much easier, and you don't even have to wait for technicians anymore. Now, the downside to this, I will say that if you are looking into a DTF printer like this, you do have to wait on technical support if that ever is a need, which I hardly ever need them anyways. But when you do, just have to remember that they are on China time. We are usually here on the US side, and there is about 12-13 hour difference, so there sometimes is a little bit of wait. But most of the time when I'm working in my craft room anyways, I work in the afternoons and nights, and I make sure not to try to go to sleep too late. But I literally get their support super quick and easy. They're so reliable. And if you guys buy this printer and you guys need to reach out to a technician, First, I can go ahead and get you over to my sales rep. I will leave all his contact info down below. That way you guys can reach him or just reach out to me, and we are really working together to try to get the customer service and everything and the connection and communication a lot better. So I really do love Haolic. Another cool upgrade is that this printer can also do wireless. Now, me for the moment, I am using the USB cord connection to my laptop, but that is solely because my internet sucks here, and even if it's in the same room where I have my modem box connection, it still sucks. So I currently use the USB cord, but you are more than welcome to learn how to use the Wi-Fi connection, wireless. It's really cool because on our old printer, we were not able to do that. With the new DTF printer, once you are running low on ink, it has an alert system now that it will beep whenever color is running low. That way you make sure you are never low. Now, because our inks are in the back and we can't see them as visible as my old printer where I would have them on the sides, that makes it so much more helpful and more convenient because I don't have to just been like, oh, there's no ink coming out from the tubes. What's going on? Is my printer head clogging? Me having a total freak out moment. Now you know before you get that super low, it's going to beep at you, and I think that is really an awesome upgrade. Also inside for the film, the old printer never had guides to where the film goes. So my film would always shift or move around, or I would just kind of guess to where I needed to put it at. And it's really cool because with the new DTF D8 model, there is guides inside that guide you where the film's supposed to be. That way you're never going to have it going the wrong way, and you make sure you're centered so when you're printing, your print head is actually going to be printing on the film where it's supposed to be. It also comes with more accessories. It comes with like a little stir that helps stir your white ink. I mean, there's just a nice function for the white ink as well. That way it has a little filtration system for the white, and it's constantly keeping moving as long as your printer's on. That white is flowing and it's not going to sit. You guys saw it in the video. I mean, I really do love this printer. So my thoughts, my final thoughts is that this printer is a yes for me. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing for yourself, make sure you guys use code BYA to make sure you guys get $100 off your next purchase. And go ahead and leave me a little heart down below if you guys do end up getting it. That way I know who has it, and that way we can chit chat and talk a little bit more about it, okay? I will leave all the information for Haolic, the Facebook group, where honestly it's so helpful. We always chit chat in there. I'm one of the admins in there, so I try to go through all the comments and always try to help as much as I can because I genuinely love working with Haolic. I mean, I have 3 machines now, you guys can probably tell, and I really do think that it is a great quality printer. Now, keep in mind with this printer, you can also get a shaker oven connection to it. I don't have the space for it currently, so that's why I don't have it. My system still is like a print, you cut, you powder, you do all of that manually. But honestly, as a beginner printer, this is definitely the one that you want to be choosing. And that is it for today's video, amigas. Thank you guys so much for watching the whole video. Make sure you guys leave me a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!